Hi, welcome to my new video on how to install CWC 1020NW laser printer on a computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require its driver. To download this driver, go to the video description below. I have given the download link there. I will show you which driver you will require. This is the driver that you will require. I have given the download link in the video description. Download from there. After download, you need to just right click on that or then click on extract to. It will make a folder like this which contains driver files. These are. So what you need to do is just double click on that. And you will get this type of interface. You need to just click on install. Make sure the printer USB is connected. So click on OK. The printer driver has been installed. So if this doesn't work for you, then I will show you how to install these drivers using the manual settings. So please close it for now. Remember the location of this folder and let's start install it manually. Click on start button, click on settings, click on devices, then click on printer and scanner from the left side pane. After that, click on add a printer or scanner. Click on the link. The printer that I want is not listed. Click on that. Now an manual installation wizard has been opened. So in this wizard you need to just click on add a local printer and then click on next. After that, here you need to choose the port. This is an important step, so please do it carefully. Choose the port of your printer where your printer is connected right now. So I recommend you to choose USB 001. It could be 002 or 003. So please do it carefully. Then click on next. Here it is asking for driver. So please click on have disk and go to the location where we have extracted the drivers. Click on browse. Go to desktop. Go to this folder, extracted folder, and select this file, this one, and click on open and click on OK. Select this model number and click on next. Choose the last option, replace the current driver. It will replace the driver if the driver already installed. Click on next. Click on next. It is installing the drivers. Choose the first option, do not share this printer, and then click on next. Click on finish. As you can see, the printer has been installed. So this is how you can install this printer automatically and manually. I have given both of the steps. So hope you like this video. If you like, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.